Hello and welcome to the next class. I hope you have been able to raise up your walls, you've been able to model your walls, and you can see that the floor too has been done. So now I want to concentrate on this front aspect. We want to see how we can remove all these openings, make all these openings out in this front aspect. So let's go back to our 2D and see how it looks like. You can see from the approach view now. We want to make this place, we want to make it, a little bit curved like the way it appears here, and also the sides too. There will be a little opening on the other side. So what are we going to do? Let's go back to our Revit and now go to the south is where you can see the front view. So when you see the front view like this, you can now see that this is the front view. So you just go to, you take your cursor a little bit, you see where you have highlighted, you click on it. Now from here you now start your editing. Take your cursor again to this top corner, you see edit profile. So you left click on edit profile. It will now show that you can now start editing this profile. So what's the next thing that you need to do? Go to your lines, but before you go to lines, we go to offset. First of all, you see offset on this top corner here, so let's click offset. So you click offset. How is it being used? Now we want to offset to the right and to the left. We want to offset 900. If you have any issue with the dimension, you can also go back to the 2D and check the dimension that you need. So we are offsetting. You just take your cursor a little bit close to it, but it will not just touch it, so that you can now press, can now click here, take it a little bit close to this place, you click here. So that's that. You have been able to offset that one. We also offset up. We can also measure around, let's just take 2.7 is okay. You now take your cursor here, you measure it up like this too. Once this one is done, you now go to lines. You now take your arc. From there now you see arc passing through 3 points. So you take point 1 to point B. You now take your cursor up just a little, or what you just want a little arc. Once you get that, you click it, you right click, cancel, right click again and cancel the command. So what the next thing we need to do now is to begin to delete. Let's delete this one. You click it and delete it. You now trim. So how do we trim? You go to here, you click trim, you click here and here. That's how trim works. You click A and B. So that's how you do the trim. But there's something down here that we also need to work on. There's something we call split. If you want to cut a line into two, so you click on split. It's beside trim. So you just, it has turned to something like knife. You just click where you want to cut. Once you cut it, you can see this big box here showing that it has been cut. So you go back to trim, you left click on it, 1 and 2, you've trimmed it. 1 and 2, you have trimmed it. So you finish the command, cancel, and that's it. So you can now say finish sketch, showing that you have been able to finish this sketch. You can see the opening has been done. Let's go to our 3D and go and see it. See what I'm talking about. You can see that opening has been done. So I want you to do this left and right openings too, so that you can also check it how I did my own, and you do it like that. I will expect you to do it for this next class. So we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.